Hi, today we are making very delicious chicken bread from the inclusive world of baking. So let's get down to basics of chicken bread. I'm gonna start with sifting 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt and 3 tablespoon milk powder. Milk powder will give a very soft and creamy hint to bread. With 2 tablespoon sugar, 4 tablespoon oil and a stolen egg from mama chicken. Give a little whisk to the egg. Add 1 tablespoon instant dry yeast along with 1.5 cup lukewarm water. And please add the water gradually. When the flour roughly combine into a shaggy dough, then it's time to introduce the human machine. Left or right, it's your choice because we are gonna develop gluten by most well-known method, which is kneading by hand. At this point, dough is gonna give you hard time, but you have to remind the dough that who's the boss here. Okay, when the dough clear the sides of bowl and becomes soft, light and bouncy, drizzle some olive oil and knead for another minute and cover with plastic wrap. Leave it in a nice, quiet, warm area for at least 2 hours for meditation. Alright, onto the filling. Heat up 3 tablespoon oil into a pan and add 1 chopped onion and let it sweat for a couple of minutes on medium-high heat. Add 1 giant chopped bell pepper and wiggle jiggle for 2 minutes straight on medium-high heat. It's chicken filling, so we need some chicken. I have 250 grams shredded chicken boiled with some salt and pepper. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes so it will have a crispy layer to it, and then add a handful of green onion, and for some spice in life add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of red chili flakes and a teaspoon of coriander powder. Toss everyone up and down in the pan for about 2 minutes so the spices, veggies and chicken get to know each other. For some more bright color, add almost everyone's childhood favorite snack, steamed or boiled sweet corn, about half cup. Add 3 tablespoons flour and cook for 30 seconds. Flour will help in thickening the filling. Add 1.5 cup milk of a very beautiful cow and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame until it gets thicker like snicker. When the filling decided to leave the edges of the pan, turn off the heat and let it cool down. The dough has a beautiful glow up. It's puffy, light and airy. Generously flour the work surface and lightly cover the dough with flour. Pat it gently and cut the dough into 8 equal parts. Now grab the one piece and roll it with your hand until it looks like a bald head. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the rolling pin. At this point, it totally depends on you what design you like to make. I'm going for the braided one, so I'm just rolling it long, about quarter of inch of thickness. Let's make cuts on the dough on both sides about 2 inches. Add the filling about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Do not overload the dough because if you overload, it's gonna explode. Okay, now take the one strip of the bread and fold it like that. Take the left strip and fold it, then right and fold it, left, fold it, right, fold it, and seal it with its tail. Heat up a pan and gently place the dough. Brush it with egg properly. It will give a very beautiful golden color. Sprinkle some black cumin on top with roasted sesame seeds to give it a seedy flavor. Cover the pan for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. After 10 to 15 minutes, check the bottom if it's done and have a crispy layer to it. Then flip it over and cook the other side for another 10 minutes on low flame. And flip all the sides of bread to give them evenly golden crispy color. Okay, here we have the crispy, crunchy, sunny golden chicken bread. I made a family of chicken bread, mother, father and a beautiful baby. Okay, let's do some crunch test. Alright, it's time to eat. The bread is very soft, like have a very pillowy texture, and the filling is just die for. It's meaty, spicy, have a little bit crunch of veggies. I mean, what else you want from your chicken bread? I'm gonna give it a solid 10 out of 10. Take a little bit of time to make, but very amazing to taste. So, thank you. Bye.